कृष्ण बोलो प्रभु। বাচ্চাদের জন্য যাতে পরবর্তীকালে কোনো স্কুলে ভর্তি হতে পারে।
পরমার্থই আমাদের যে এম এন্ড অবজেক্ট এইটা রেডি
At the beginning, it's better to start like kindergarten system, for small child only, and there you have to adjust them with the Parmi school. I mean, so that they can get prepared. After that, they can study in Parmi school. Otherwise, if you just teach Gita and Bhagavad, and after that they cannot get any, general education. Teaching some Mahabharata, there are many stories how disciples are. But one aim should be there that devotion is our aim and object. That should be good impression from them from very beginning. And you cannot neglect the Karmi education also, because otherwise these boys have no future actually. If they study will be not valuable in the material world. So for that thing you have to very beginning think about that very tactfully. How to teach them spiritual thing, and same time they can get the qualification to study in other schools after they finish the kindergarten. Or if you want to continue, then after that it will expand, like from kindergarten up to maybe high school. And not only Gita Bhagavad, in West also there are many saints who got darshan of the Lord or got some special marks, like Guru Maharaj Singh, John the Baptist. This kind of story which will be these kind of stories will be useful for giving spiritual enlightenment. So you can give these stories also. I mean some selected stories. Child is the father of man. After that they will become father. So this kind of education is very important. Good idea to open good and teach child. হ্যাঁ কথা বলুন, আপনার সর্দিটা বলতেছি। এই দীনবন্ধু Guru Maharaj tell you to discuss his Sarvabhavana book. He generally preaches in Germany and maybe South Africa. Do you know him?
He's in Mayapur.
Is it Mayapur?
He came here the other day, I think.
Now?
Now I know.
Yeah, he lives in Germany.
The last time he was here.
Yeah, he was here. Sarvabhavana is the person who translated Vaishnava Purana, Bharata Krishna. Because his wife, she made some plan that so Nowadays this Karmi syllabus just develop the intelligence but not teaching anything about morality, non-violence, spiritual culture, not at all this reason. So this should be given from the very beginning. The boys should not fight themselves,
ঠিকঠাক থাকা ছেলেগুলো একটু আলোচনা একটু বৈঠক পাবে খুব আনন্দ হয় তাদের
You should have some arrangement for prize also. Who is getting good performance? The system is giving them prize, first prize, second prize. Understand? Prize. I mean, there we make some competition for small boys.
তার দুই চারটে ছিল
Some reward.
ওই সময় গ্রামে গীতারে দুই চারটে ছোট মোটো ছোট জিনিস তাদের বলো একখানে ছোট করে বই চাইতে দুই জায়গা লাউ বই তৈরি করে চিনি দেবো
The book should be very colorful so that they can like, and then you can put some guitar score.
Bhagavad Gita from which age we can teach them?
Guru Master from the beginning, you just teach them to remember, to recite. That in 5 years they can recite. Maybe they can understand whole meaning, but
They're making many books now of like Bhagavad Gita stories, but speaking in like children's language. But all the Shastra is there, but speaking in like children's language.
But Guru Maharaj suggests that some slokas we should teach and recite.
Right. But he was telling also to give stories in the beginning.
Yeah, stories.
Like Mahabharata,
Mahabharata,
like
Gita, Chaitanya.
Mahaprabhu Lila.
সমস্ত দেশের সমস্ত জগতের যেমন জগন্নাথ সমস্ত জগতের না শুধু যে ভারতবর্ষের আর জগতের সংরক্ষণের কথা আমাদের এই যে বর্তমান সংযুক্ত বের করতে সবটা দিক প্রত্যেকটি এই যে বহু দিবস
আমি বুঝতে পেরেছি গুরু মহারাজ মানে সংস্কৃতি আমাদের
এরকম ভাব করে সমস্ত গ্রন্থ বলতে আমাদের মানসিক ব্যক্তি না বুঝে এটা হবে না
না আমি বেশি বলবেন না আমি বুঝে নিতে আপনি বলতে চাইছেন না এটা বললাম and another thing Guru Maharaj is very important. He told that some intelligent person have to make these books, otherwise they cannot give proper conception even for the child also. And now in many countries they have some fighting tendency. India thinks Pakistan is our enemy, and the Pakistan thinks America is our friend, and like that every country have their what is called nationality, this narrow nationality. So for nationalism, they treat this from the very beginning, the boys. We are the German, we are French, we are Indian, we are this and that, and you have to fight for your country, you have to protect your... This mentality is not very good. So you have to teach them from the very beginning that actually this nation all created by man only. There is actually one nation in the world. There is no such false nationality, because this kind of false nationality the Karmi school teach, and ultimately when the boys grows up, then they get the idea, oh, I am from this country, so I have to fight for it and kill other country people. This violence comes from this idea. So this nationality should be completely rejected. Rather, you have to teach them what is called I forgot the term. There is one term. The whole world is just
Universalism.
Universalism. Yeah, universalism. Actually, this Varnashram system, the caste system which was started in India before, long time, is just to keep discipline in the society. But here also universalism is being preached in Vedic scriptures. There is no such national feeling what now very prominent everywhere, but it is not there in Vedic scriptures. যজুর্বেদে একটা প্রার্থনা আছে আমাদের দেশের মানে গরুগুলো খুব দুধ থাকুক, আমাদের 100 বছর বেঁচে থাকি, 100 বছর দেখতে থাকি, এইটাই জাতীয় সঙ্গীত হওয়া দরকার। গুরু মহারাজ আমাকে একজন বলছিল বৃন্দাবনের কোনোদিন, বললে এইসব কি জাতীয় সঙ্গীত বানাচ্ছে, জাতীয় সঙ্গীত যদি হয় তো ওইটা। Like some Karmi people teach that Arya is eating meat, and nowadays communists preaching that beef is very sweet. like that, from the very beginning of the child. This should be completely banned. Rather, you have to preach that this meat is very abominable thing, is actually violent, cow killing is very bad, and like these things, Here actually many people have the idea, because from very beginning we also studied Rajas used to eat meat, honey and this and that like that.
ভগবান তিনি নিজেই ধারণ করেছে
হ্যাঁ, ওনার গরু গোরক্ষার জন্য ওরা আন্দোলন করছে, আমাকে তাই বলছিল, আমি গরু মাছ খুব ভালো পাই। You have to teach them cow protection, how Krishna himself pastured cows, and cow are very important for the society.
We are trying to develop this ashram in a very simple mood with cows and with agriculture, and maintain the child always together with nature, and produce in ecological mood.
Guru Maharaj had one cow in their house, and Guru Maharaj used to swing, taking the the breast and swing, and the cow never hit Guru Maharaj. She always used to lick. She used to lick Guru Maharaj. Always lick like a child.
It's important to maintain the child.
The devotees of Krishna, Santaras,
Cows.
yeah, cow also. Devotees in neutral mode, Santaras.
It's important to maintain the child with in relation with cows and cows.
Yeah. That's it. Because they will feel some affection for them, and after they grow up, they will never be, even if they become karmis, still they will never be violent to cows and cows. Very beginning you have to put this right. Guru Maharaj got some cough. Yeah.
He want to make a question.
Yeah. Only short question, because
শিক্ষিত ব্যক্তি ব্যতীত এই সমস্ত দর্শনে সভা বসে সরকারে এই যে সমস্ত প্রত্যেকের দেশের কাজে রুটি টুটি এই সমস্ত হিসাব করে একটা এসটি কম্পিটিশন হতে পারবে, এসটি কম্পিটিশন হতে পারবে,
it's not
সকলে বসে এটা বিচার করে এটা দেখতে
not to make an hasty conclusion, just some few people have come, because each country have their own habit, like food habit. If you tell everybody there to eat rice, maybe they can get sick, you understand? So you have to see, you have to be vegetarian, but you need also to adjust the weather there, you understand this?
ধারণা যে এই সমস্ত সব নিয়ে করতে কোনো বিষয় এরকম মহাপ্রভুর সাধনাই আমাদের এবং মহাপ্রভুর
Those yeah. And another point Guru Maharaj is stressing,
মহাপ্রভু তার প্রেমেতেই সমস্ত ধর্ম
because this is also important, Guru Maharaj is stressing, like in Odisha people, they blame Mahaprabhu, because Pratap Rudra and his son became very devotee. After that they told soldiers, throw all weapons and chant Harinam, and Muslim came and conquered Odisha. Otherwise Odisha state was very strong, Muslim was not able to conquer Odisha. So Odisha people say this is because of Mahaprabhu. He made the whole Odisha Vaishnava, and king told no more fighting. So soldiers were just lazy, and I mean they throw weapons. Actually it happened in Odisha. So Muslim came and conquered everything very easily. But actually Mahaprabhu, Guru Maharaj said, Mahaprabhu never preached like that to throw weapons. This is the wrong idea that Mahaprabhu, of course, this is the Prema Dharma Mahaprabhu preached. It is of course love with everybody, but still some practical ideas should be there also. Like you eat there, I am just giving the example that you eat only rice. You understand? Because Mahaprabhu's area they eat more rice, but they may get sick there, and people will blame you that these fellows are making them fanatic. I mean you have to preach vegetarianism, but you have to see which food these boys can tolerate and which will be nutritious for them. That is the point. And in which case violence is necessary, like Arjuna was Vaishnava, he fought, etc. Some places maybe you have to fight also for keeping morality, for morality. Not just you can teach everybody to become seven-headed. You see our Grihastha devotees, you can't find much seven-headed. I mean, they have hairs.
আমাদের দেশের এখন একটু কলেজের এমন অবস্থা হয়েছে যে সে একবারকে তারা শিক্ষা লাভ করে কি শিক্ষাটা করবে তাদের কোনো পরমার্থ সম্বন্ধে কোনো শিক্ষা নেই।
Nowadays in all schools, colleges, even in our country also, it become very degraded because they don't teach any spiritual culture there at all. They only teach all nonsense. Maybe it develops the intelligence, but nothing about consciousness. Yeah, what was your question? Short question also.
Very short.
Yeah.
What is the meaning of Gurudeva's guidance? I mean,
আমাদের দেশের শিক্ষা দিয়ে বলছেন সেই সে বিদ্যার ফল জানি হন ঈশ্বর
কৃষ্ণ
পাদপদ্মে যদি চিত্ত বিত্ত পরে শুনে গো কৃষ্ণ ভক্তি যদি বলে তা যদি নদী তবে বিদ্যায় কি করে কতদিন পড়িয়ে নিয়ে পাঠ করবে তবে একটা পাঠণ্ড হয়ে যাবে সেইটি বিদ্যার পরিণাম। এই সমস্ত প্রধান বিচার করে সকলে বসে একটা সভা করে আপনারা স্থির করবেন।
You make some meeting with expert persons together. They will discuss how to do like Kodaikanal Krishna Bhakti Lavihari, Chaitanya is there. The ultimate result of Vidya, education, is that he will be devotee. This is the ultimate purpose of all education. And here one can make MA, PhD, everything, and after becomes a rascal person. What is the use of such thing? So it needs very deep discussion with all people who are expert in teaching line profession and who are also devotees, having some consciousness. You cannot take any whimsical decision about how to teach. This is good idea and this must be done. You have to do it. But you have to discuss with many expert persons about the details. And we must inform that country where we want to make the Gurukul. Because their situation also you have to consider. The place you are making the Gurukul, their situation, their atmosphere, you have to also consider that.
The place.
Yeah.
We live in a nice place in the country.
No, I mean the mentality of people.
মানটা পরিবর্তন দরকার।
You have to see how people are checked boys from general people. I mean, some places I heard Hare Krishna they consider some sect and government is not. Actually, if you say Hare Krishna, here also they will say sect. Because Hare Krishna name, there is no religion in the name Hare Krishna. You understand? So, you have to adjust how to make work, to please the God. শির মাটিটা আছে খুব বেশ্যা প্রসিদ্ধ বেশ্যা হেমামালিনী বলে তাকে নিয়েছে নাচিয়েছে কৃষ্ণ নাচ কৃষ্ণ ব্যালে নাকি ব্যালে ওই নেতাজি ইন্ডোর স্টেডিয়ামে স্বামী মহারাজের শতবার্ষিকীতে ওখানে নাচিয়েছে বলছে ও নাচলে সব লোক দেখতে আসবে খুব ফেমাস ও যদি খুব বিখ্যাত এখানে এলে এখনই সব লোক জড়ো হয়ে যাবে তাকে দেখতে এবার স্বামী মহারাজের মূর্তির অভিষেক করেছে তারপরে প্রোগ্রাম রেখেছে কি ওর নাচ বলছে এটা যুক্ত বৈরাগ্য প্রভুপাদ নাকি এইরকম শিক্ষা দিয়েছেন প্রভুপাদ কিরকম বলেছেন গুরু মাস বেশারি নাচাতে বেশার নাচ নাচিয়েছে ইসকন এবারে কলকাতা ইন্ডোর স্টেডিয়াম বিরাট স্টেডিয়াম ভাড়া করেছিল হ্যাঁ বলছে ওটা প্রভুপাদের শিক্ষা যে যুক্ত বৈরাগ্য সবকিছু ভগবানের বাবার কথা প্রচারের জন্য তাহলে ওই সমস্ত করা যাবে না বেসাটের সাথে আমরা এনে লোককে আকর্ষণ করা এগুলো ঠিক হবে না
চরিত্র ভ্রষ্ট কোনো যত চরিত্র নিজেদের চরিত্র ভ্রষ্ট হয়ে যায় কোনো শিক্ষা
না ওরা বলছে যে আমরা চরিত্র ভ্রষ্ট হচ্ছি না কিন্তু যে লোকগুলো শুনতে আসবে with aeroplane for different parts But for some things, he was very strict. For some things, he was very strict. I can speak loudly, because this doctor says it's not very good to close Guru Maharaj. Actually, he is making tape, that's why. He should also remember, because our breathing, maybe I don't have that disease, but I bear it. Guru Maharaj can catch easily because his health is. That's why you put this, you see. To give the
আমাদের শিক্ষার মধ্যে যখন পরিবার সব কি করবে বেশ্যা থেকে সেই বেশ্যা হইল পরম মহান বড় বড় বৈষ্ণব তার দর্শনে যান কত পরিকল্পনা এরকম সমাজের এরকম আছে যত সব কলেজ আছে সেগুলো সংসার কর্মার থেকে ইয়ে করতে হবে
So,
তাকে প্রশ্রয় দেওয়া হলো
but he never allowed some particular things. Like recently we heard ISKCON, they brought one prostitute in Calcutta, very famous prostitute all over the world, big film artist, to dance some Krishna ballet like that. In Swami Maharaj's appearance, the centenary, they hired one big stadium, indoor stadium. And they attracted people because of this prostitute. Otherwise, so many people will not.
Prostitute means she's actually living in a prostitute section, or means
no.
like what?
Actually, in India, they know about her as prostitute. Actually, she is very famous as film artist, and film is very dirty films. You understand?
Acha.
Dirty films, not sober
I see.
for role actually.
Right.
So people attracted. I mean, all young people want to see. If she comes here, everybody will go to see. You know. More to see a Mahanta. They told this is we did because if we bring that program that Hema Malini will dance, then may all Calcutta will gather there. It's true.
Yeah.
And they will buy tickets for maybe they sell tickets also maybe for 25 rupees or more. A lot of money, many lakhs they collected, and it will spend the whole program also, and same time people will see Swami Maharaj Abhishek. You understand?
Yeah.
And Prabhupada, Guru Maharaj said Prabhupada never allowed this kind of thing, because he told, okay, we can use aeroplane for preaching, but we cannot use those persons who are degraded morally, I mean, or characterless person to attract people. But if this kind of person change their mood, like Haridas Thakur changed one prostitute. She was prostitute, she was sent to make Haridas Thakur, attract Haridas Thakur. But Haridas Thakur, when he changed her, he told her to shave hair and just live in that same room what he used to do bhajan, and take only tulasi leaf to control her senses, and she became very big Vaishnavi. All big person also used to go her to see her as a Vaishnavi, and that is possible. If somebody can become devotee, she can have very bad previous life, doesn't matter. But in these cases, when you bring that prostitute for dancing and to attract people, that means you are giving indulgence to wrong things. And Prabhupada never used it actually music also, harmonium, because in many Sahaja people they play harmonium, they play very nicely singing. Many equipments, not only harmonium. But Prabhupada told, if we use these things for in name of preaching, then people will get attracted to the music and not on the Mahamantra. So in Gaudiya Math you cannot find harmonium, only mridanga, kartal and gong, which was used by previous acharyas. So some points we have to
Actually, the shame of that is it gives bad name to Bhaktivedanta Swami.
Yeah, that's a problem.
People that understand properly, it gives a bad name to Bhaktivedanta Swami.
Yeah.
But actually, if he was here, he would not allow that.
Yeah, it's true. They want to glorify their Gurudev, rather it makes them degraded society in all over India, I mean at least in Bengal.
But because most people are degraded, they think it's okay also. But anybody that has proper understanding, they can understand that it's not proper.
Actually for them, for ISKCON only prostitution started in Mayapur. Before there was nobody used to come for this purpose in Mayapur. Gaudiya Math was there from 1918 and there was not a single prostitute in Mayapur.
But prostitution was happening in Navadvip right across the river.
Yeah, it's old one. because of the Savages. They started it long before. And after that, now people come and they say we are going to ISKCON. I mean wrong people, you know, they come to enjoy in Mayapur. So they come and they do all these wrong things in the Dham. It's spoiling the situation. In ISKCON before they used to happen such thing. Now they became very strict. Now they caught many prostitutes there in ISKCON guest house. So it is actually giving indulgence to wrong activities. You know, if you invite such wrong persons, those who don't have any respect as a spiritual personality in the society, and if they come in a spiritual program, then it will give people indulgence for wrong things. So that's why Prabhupada never used even music also, because you can find most musicians, they don't have proper character, in moral character. Not possible, because this is coming from Rajagun, and if you use many music, people will get addicted to music and not on the holy name. So Yukta Vairagya means you have to consider who is to be taken and who is not to be taken, even for the preaching purpose. We cannot use everything.
In Spain, with that,
প্রথম থেকেই তো এই মতে তারপর লোক অনেক
সবে স্ত্রী
মাত্র না দেখেন দৃষ্টিকোণ
Mahaprabhu was very naughty in his childhood, and it is explained in Chaitanya Bhagavat. He used to disturb everybody, splashing water in Ganga and taking clothes, mixing together. But he never saw women with bad eyes. I mean, in Bengali we say with bad eyes, you know, with different mood. Never.
Lust.
Yeah, with lusty eye. Never. From the very childhood. So he had that much. One boy can be naughty, but if he given indulgence for all these things, then it will be very, very bad. Mahaprabhu taught it to us. You can dance in temple in front of the deity, but in the name of preaching you cannot bring dancers so that people will come to see the deity. This is not proper. Even few years before, Bhaktacharya Swami invited Bodhan Maharaj for one program in some hall in Calcutta, some theatre hall. There he was dancing in the microphone with Gopi Geet.
With who?
Gopi Geet. Gopi Geet was a song from Bhagavad.
Yeah, I have.
Yes.
They had that. They made tapes. They made cassette tape from it.
And there, because not many sannyasis are there, so he invited Bodhan Maharaj. So Bodhan Maharaj went and he saw that he trains some Gurukul girls, young girls, quite young, 16, 17, 18 years, to dance in different style, Kuchipudi, Bharatanatyam, different things. And they were dancing, and then Bhaktacharya Maharaj, after that he had many musicians besides, with different instruments. And he was singing Gopi Geet. The cassette I heard, I didn't know, I was not present there. And it is also Rasabhas. Gopi is supposed to be in very sad mood. Supposed to be very sad mood. But what he used to do, he was like dancing and chanting Tavo Kathamritam Tapta Jivanam, like that. So this kind of thing Bodhan was told Guru Maharaj. He got very disturbed because he came there and he don't know that this dancing program is there. He thought maybe some lecture program going on. And he cannot come, just to immediately, because they will mind something, some bad. Tipu. Aste.
It's too dark. Can you put that one light on? This one. Yeah.
পরিষ্কার হচ্ছে, কখনো ঝাপসা হয়ে যাচ্ছে। আপনার দিয়ে চলে মুশকিল।
Nrsinga Maharaj also coming from South India. Our Nrsinga Maharaj coming from South India. And Sridanti Maharaj also coming from South India.
ভগবান আসছে, ডেকে এসছি, উনি আসছে, ওনাকে আমি ডেকে এসছি, আসছে।
Horrible Marsh.
এসছে, ভগবান এসছে। হ্যাঁ,
Guru Maharaj, from America, one news coming. There is one Vaishnava university in America, North America. There is one Vaishnava university. It is called Florida Vedic College. And they have come to World Vaishnava Association to give seva to all Vaishnava in the world for taking Vaishnava, Bhakti Shastri, Bhakti Vaibhava, Bhakti Sarvabhauma, original plan and officially recognized by US government. So when Vaishnava take this diploma, they can also teach in ordinary school. They can go and give Vaishnava religious teaching. They have, and now this college come to Vishva Vaishnava Rajshava to give seva to all world. In Florida, this university, it is situated in Florida, but it can give service by mail, by writing to anybody, any place in the world, and also by internet, by electronic communication.
generation and human mentality changes, so they change accordingly. But as much as Nirupadika is there, it can be considered pure. When Nirupadika dharma is being deleted a lot, then it can be considered more contaminated. Now one point, everybody want to play businesses. This is the time for Guru Maharaj, যারা প্রণাম করতে এসে করেনি তাহলে কথা বলতে অনেক এসে সকলকে বলে দেন এখানে না না ওখানে খালি করলে ওখানে চুপচাপ ওদিকে আসবেন
Everyone go backside.
Please give away so devotees can do
Go just backside. Here, Pranam Srila Guru Maharaj.
তাড়াতাড়ি বেশি করে দেরি করলে হবে না। ঠিক আছে জানেন দিয়ে ঢোকা যাও ওদিকে লাইন করে দাও
Everybody come here and take pranam. Jai Srila Guru Maharaj ki jai.
Come on.
তাড়াতাড়ি করুন।
Come on,
cover all other Sampradaya Siddhantas. I mean, everything is included in Brahma Sampradaya In Mundak Shruti, Guru Maharaj quoted Brahma Devanam Pratama Sambhavuva, that Brahma is the first person in this world who born in the Lord, and he got this Brahma Vidya, the knowledge of the Vedas, from the Lord himself, and he told Atharva, his eldest son, and such a way through Parampara this knowledge is come. So we are Brahma Sampradaya. Originally our main preceptor is Lord Brahma, who is the first person of the creation. So in one sense we can say whatever was spoken after is everything included that was spoken to Brahma by Lord. So Nirupadik Dharma, Guru Maharaj saying Nirupadik Dharma is same for the all souls. Outwardly you can see somebody is little white, more fair, somebody is more blackish according to different places. But the soul is the same, and the religion of the soul must be the same for all over the world. And that is called Nirupadik Dharma. He told Jiva Swarupa Krishna Nitya Das, the real identity of the Jiva soul is there. He is the eternal servant of Lord Krishna. So, whatever else religion we can see in the world, it just took some part of the Nirupadik Dharma and most other part, which is called Sopadhik, and that had to be cut down. Then you can see the real religion of the whole world is one, and not a second.
that Parivartan Sarvabharman Parityajya Mamedam Sarvabharman और वही सुधा मंदिर है जाते करना है भगवान एक करना है
You can understand most of the slokas Guru Maharaj is quoting that the ultimate purpose of all Vedas is to know Krishna, and the process to know Krishna is surrender and bhakti. So anybody who is surrendered, he can know him. Otherwise not possible. This is the gist of Guru Maharaj. আচ্ছা গুরু মহারাজ আজকে একটা জিনিস আমি পড়লাম, ওই প্রভুপাদ যে অন্বয় করেছেন ভাগবতে তার নাম দিয়েছেন গৌর কিশোর অন্বয়, আর যে অনুবাদ করেছেন তার নাম দিয়েছেন স্বানন্দ কুঞ্জানুবাদ। স্বানন্দ হ্যাঁ, আর স্বানন্দ কুঞ্জানুবাদে লিখছেন যে যেখানে ভক্তিনাথ ঠাকুর বসে আছেন সেই গোদ্রুম এবে হোক মোর কাম, তিনি গোদ্রুমে বাস করতে চাইছেন প্রভুপাদ। তো মায়াপুরে যোগী বিশ্বর ধ্যান এই সমস্ত ছেড়ে গোদ্রুমে বিশেষ করে এখানে বাস করতে চাইছেন। যদি ভক্তিনাথ ঠাকুরের জায়গা বলে ওই একটা বাংলা একটা পয়া লিখেছেন প্রভুপাদ ওখানে, যথা বইছে ভগবতী বিনোদ সানন্দ সুখদ যথা কৃষ্ণ প্রীতি কুঞ্জ। wanted to live there eternally. Say Chintamani Dham Ebevok Mor Dham. Jai Bhakta-ganer Pranam. I want to live there eternally. So I asked Guru Maharaj a question, why Prabhupada wanted that particular Godru to live eternally, not in Yogapeeth, neither Srivasangan, not Ishadhyan, particularly Sananda. Guru Maharaj said because he is writing the translation of Srimad Bhagavatam. So he is following the place where Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur revealed all this meaning of Srimad Bhagavatam in his heart, and there Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur eternally worshipping Gaur Gadadhar. So he wanted to show that I am following their line. And another thing is Swananda Sukada Kunja means Lalita Devi have a kunja to serve their lordship. That kunja Lalita named Swananda Sukada Kunja. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur doing bhajan under the guidance of Lalita Devi, Lalita Sukada. So he named the same place as Swananda Sukada Kunja. Because he is not having separate kunja, he is living in Lalita's kunja and serving there. So Prabhupada also, according to the Guru Parampara, he wanted to serve under the lotus feet. So he is writing that. Otherwise, Bhaktivinoda Thakur himself revealed all Mayapur and everything. So it is not less important. It is Guru Maharaj.
महाप्रसाद श्री श्रील प्रभुपाद की
जय।
महाप्रसाद भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर प्रभुपाद की
जय।
समावेद त्रिदंडिपाद वृंदों की
जय।
समावेद गौर भक्त वृंदों की
जय।
गौर प्रमाण
I think Bodhan Maharaj wanted to arrange some meeting there, I mean some discussion, devotees gathering, kirtan, not. I think we can sit there, have some nice kirtan. If you like Brahmaji Maharaj Kalidas.
Baba Maharaj. What did Guru Maharaj say?
Guru Maharaj telling there is one, Supreme Lord is one, soul having the same character, there is not separate soul for London, separate soul for Calcutta, separate soul for America, not like that. So, তাহলে গুরু মহারাজ আমরা একসঙ্গে কীর্তন করি একটু নাট মন্দিরে আজকে প্রধান মহারাজ সভা করতে বলছেন আপনি বলে দেন সকলকে যে একসঙ্গে মিলেমিশে কীর্তন হোক নিতাই গৌর প্রেমানন্দে এবার তো জুয়েল ছিল শ্রীধর মহারাজ
Man, this thing is so cool. This little fader button just to black. Fade to black. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. Let me have that mic that's on Guru Maharaj.
Hey, Haribol.
Still getting?
taking a whole roll from me. I'll show you in a few days.
You want?
Still shooting, Gordon? Good. Can you hear everything?
Yeah.
Haribol.
Jai. That's Mr. C-Note.
That's about 10 of them. At least.
And then another tape. Haven't really heard anything of that. Yeah. And then I'm picking up what's happening out there, right, in that little microphone. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna get the little microphone.
Pita. ¿Qué dice?
Nirmala. No, no.
First of all, he's finished. He pushes the red button, that turns it off. He pushes this down to lock it. You see where it says lock? That locks it. Then you take this and put it to lock. Then you finish. Then you just take this like this, close it. Okay. Once you've done that, you take this and turn it to off. And push this button where it says battery and unhook it. Go. Watch, I'll show you.
জানে সব অনেকদিন ধরে ইস্কনে আছে বাড়ি আছে মানে দক্ষিণ ভারতে বাড়ি আছে
बांग्ला जाने ना मार हिंदी बोल रहा इंग्लिश में हिंदी बोलता है अरे भगवान हिंदी बोलना हो जाता
चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद प्रणाम मंत्र ओम पंचतत्त्वं कृष्णं भक्त रूपं भक्तावतारं भक्तस्थं नमामि भक्तभक्तिकं हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे प्रणाम मंत्र सिंगल मंत्र
हाँ मंत्र
प्रणाम मंत्र ओम कुंती कष्ट जो जनार्ति राधे रमनाथि विघ्नस्तुतं स्वरूपिणी नामो गोकुल महोत्सवालके कृष्ण पूर्णवधुषे नमः हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका सदा भक्तं शरणं भक्तकलितन गौरं विराजे वृन्दावनेश्वरी प्रसन्नानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये नित्यं सञ्जनं कृष्णमनाधारं नित्यरूपं यशोदानन्दनं नौमि श्री गोविन्दं भगवन् गोविंद वल्लभं देवीं भक्त चैतन्यकारिणीं स्वामी भगवद्भक्तं पुष्पपुष्पफलायिनीं गोविंद वल्लभं देवीं भक्त चैतन्यकारिणीं स्वामी भगवद्भक्तं पुष्पपुष्पफलायिनीं गोविंद वल्लभं देवीं भक्त चैतन्यकारिणीं स्वामी भगवद्भक्तं पुष्पपुष्पफलायिनीं
অ্যাকশন হয়ে গেলে তাড়াতাড়ি হতে পারে।
He told me.